Hello, I'm Logic Bunny, and come with me down the rabbit hole of knowledge.
The universe whispers secrets, doesn't it? Sometimes, when we gaze into the vast, dark ocean of night, we feel a quiet yearning, a sense that there's so much more than meets the eye. What if everything you've ever seen, touched, or even thought about in this immense cosmos is just a tiny, shimmering fraction of what's truly asterisk out there? What if the familiar stars and galaxies, the ones we've learned to love, are merely the visible threads of a much larger, unseen tapestry? It can feel a bit overwhelming, this boundless unknown, like trying to hold on to a dream just as it fades. But that very feeling, that gentle nudge of confusion, is the universe inviting us into its deepest chambers. Imagine a colossal, invisible presence, a silent architect, subtly shaping everything we can see. It's a presence so profound, so immense, that it actually holds entire galaxies together, preventing them from spinning apart into the cosmic void. Yet, we can't see it. We can't touch it. It's like a cosmic ghost, everywhere and nowhere all at once. Ever wondered why these magnificent spiral galaxies don't just unravel? What invisible glue is holding them in their elegant dance? Is the universe playing the ultimate game of cosmic hide-and-seek, revealing just enough to make us question everything we thought we knew? And what profound, breathtaking truths might we uncover when we finally find what's missing from our cosmic picture? This isn't about feeling lost in the vastness. It's about finding our way to a deeper, more intimate understanding of the universe's heart. Just like Bill Nye would challenge us to look at the simplest things and ask why. Why does an apple fall? Why does ice float? We're going to challenge our biggest assumptions about the entire cosmos itself. We'll follow the clues, listen to the silent hum of the universe, and piece together a story that's more mysterious and exciting than any fiction. Prepare to have your mind puzzled, then genuinely blown, as we dive into the mysterious physics that makes the universe so wonderfully puzzling. Get ready to embrace the unknown, for in its depths lie the most incredible discoveries. Stay curious. When we gaze at a beautiful, swirling galaxy, there's a quiet whisper in our minds, a nagging sense that something isn't quite adding up. Our physics tells us these magnificent structures should not exist as they do, leading to a gentle confusion when the visible doesn't explain the whole picture. It's a feeling of inadequacy, isn't it? When the universe seems to be playing a trick on our understanding. We often believe that what we see in space is all there is, that stars and gas are the full story. But the universe holds a massive secret, subtly warping our understanding. Imagine looking at a vast, ancient tree and only seeing its leaves, completely missing the enormous, hidden roots that anchor it to the earth. Our expectation that gravity works perfectly with only visible matter is profoundly shattered. These galaxies spin so incredibly fast that, by all logic, they should just fly apart. Yet, they remain intact, gracefully dancing for billions of years. Something powerful and unseen is holding them together, revealing a deep gap in our cosmic knowledge. This is where scientists become cosmic detectives. They use a clever technique much like observing footprints in the snow without ever seeing the person who made them. By measuring how fast galaxies spin and how light bends around massive objects, they infer the mysterious presence of this invisible mass, even without a single direct observation. Think of our universe as a giant, invisible magnet. We only see the tiny metal filings, the stars and galaxies that it attracts and organizes into beautiful patterns. But the powerful magnetic field itself, this unseen force, remains hidden. Yet, it is undeniably present, shaping everything we observe. It's a humbling thought, isn't it? That so much of what makes the universe tick is beyond our sight, waiting for our curious hearts to uncover its truth. The word itself, dark, can feel a little heavy, can't it? It brings up images of shadows and secrets, sometimes even making us feel that dark matter is some spooky, mystical force beyond our grasp. This feeling of intellectual frustration, the confusion from a vague term, can make us disengage, believing it's too abstract to ever truly understand. But it's not about magic. It's a precise scientific puzzle, waiting for our curiosity to unlock its truth. There's a common misunderstanding that dark means literally black, or perhaps evil, or even some kind of antimatter. But let's gently set those ideas aside. This isn't about something sinister, or even just something that's merely dim. The universe isn't trying to scare us, it's just being incredibly subtle. Our expectation that dark matter is just like regular matter, only to faint to see, is beautifully shattered by the truth. Dark matter doesn't absorb, reflect, or emit light at any wavelength. Think about that for a moment. It's fundamentally different from everything we've ever touched, smelled, or seen. It's truly transparent to light, like a window pane that you don't even notice is there. It lets all the light pass right through it, without a single interaction. Imagine you have special cosmic goggles, not just for visible light, but for every kind of light imaginable. Radio waves, infrared, ultraviolet, even X-rays. You could put on all these goggles, one after another, trying to pierce through the cosmic veil. But even with all of them, you wouldn't see dark matter. It simply doesn't interact with light in any way we know. It's truly a ghost in the electromagnetic spectrum. Dark matter is like the silent, invisible air that surrounds us every single moment. We don't see it, we don't taste it, and we don't feel it directly as it moves around us. Yet, without its constant, pervasive presence, our entire world, our entire universe would be a cold, empty vacuum. It's there, everywhere, quietly holding everything together, a testament to the universe's hidden wonders. What else might be silently shaping our reality? Sometimes, when we hear about abstract physics theories, it can feel overwhelming, can't it? It's easy to wonder if there's any real, concrete proof, or if it's just incredibly complex math that feels distant from our world. This can lead to a quiet disengagement, a feeling that some science is just too unprovable to truly grasp. But what if there was an event, a cosmic crash so immense that it offered us undeniable evidence, a powerful story that illuminated the truth? There's a common thought that dark matter is just a placeholder, a theory scientists made up because they didn't have a better explanation. It's easy to feel skeptical when something is invisible and so mysterious, but the universe, in its own grand way, provided us with a cosmic spectacle that changed everything we thought we knew, proving that dark matter is not just a theory, but a profound reality. Our expectation that all matter would behave the same way in a collision was beautifully shattered by an incredible event known as the bullet cluster. This wasn't just any crash, it was two colossal galaxy clusters smashing into each other at mind-boggling speeds. What we observed was counterintuitive and absolutely groundbreaking. The normal matter, mostly hot gas, slowed down dramatically and separated like a splash of water. But the dark matter, the invisible component, sailed right through each other, barely interacting, like two ghosts passing through walls. This was the most direct evidence yet, revealing dark matter as a distinct, non-interacting substance. This bullet cluster blueprint became our smoking gun. Scientists used a technique called gravitational lensing to observe the separation of visible matter from its gravitational effects. They saw that the gravitational pull, the unseen force, was still centered where the dark matter should be, having passed through the collision, while the visible gas was trailing behind. It was like seeing the invisible hand of gravity pulling on something that wasn't there, a profound testament to its presence. This cosmic crash was like two cars colliding, but only the passengers, the normal matter, got thrown from their seats and scattered. The invisible chassis, the dark matter, kept going straight, almost untouched. It showed us the true, independent nature of this ghost in the machine, a silent, powerful force that truly shapes our universe. What other unseen truths are waiting for us to discover? Sometimes, the biggest scientific problems can feel so vast and abstract, so far removed from our everyday lives, that we wonder if they can ever truly be solved. This can lead to a quiet anxiety, a sense of futility, making us hesitant to even ask questions about the unknown. But the quest for dark matter isn't just happening in distant galaxies. It's unfolding in the most unexpected places, right here on Earth, driven by the purest spirit of human ingenuity. There's a common distortion that dark matter is purely theoretical, existing only in the far reaches of space, completely removed from our reality. It can feel like a cosmic riddle that has no tangible connection to us, but the truth is far more exciting. Scientists are actively hunting for these elusive particles, not just in telescopes, but in incredibly sensitive experiments built deep beneath our feet. Our expectation that all particle physics happens in giant, flashy accelerators is beautifully shattered by this cosmic hide-and-seek. The counterintuitive truth is that scientists are building super-sensitive detectors deep underground, often in old mines. They are trying to catch even a single, tiny dark matter particle as it passes right through Earth, right through us, all the time. It's a testament to their dedication, searching for a whisper in the cosmic storm. This deep underground lab approach is truly remarkable. Experiments like Lux, Zeppelin, or Xenaut are designed to be incredibly quiet, shielded from almost all other particles that could interfere. Imagine a giant tank of super pure liquid, cooled to extreme temperatures, waiting for the faintest interaction. Scientists hope for a tiny ping, a minuscule flash of light, or a ripple of energy if a dark matter particle ever bumps into one of the atoms in their detector. It's a patient, meticulous search for the smallest, most elusive handshake from the universe. Imagine trying to hear a single whisper in the middle of a roaring stadium filled with 1 million cheering fans. That's the challenge scientists face. They are building the quietest, most isolated places on Earth, hoping to catch the faint hello from a dark matter particle. This isn't just about proving its existence in space. It's about proving it exists right here, right now, as part of the fundamental fabric of our reality. What an incredible act of persistent curiosity, to seek out the unseen with such devotion. Sometimes learning about abstract cosmic concepts can feel a bit dry, can't it? We might wonder, why does this even matter to me or to anyone? This feeling of boredom or confusion, when we don't understand the profound implications, can make us quietly disengage. But what if this invisible force, this dark matter, holds the very key to the universe's ultimate destiny, a destiny that includes us? There's a common distortion that understanding dark matter is just a niche concern for astrophysicists, something far removed from our own lives or future. But that couldn't be further from the truth. This silent, unseen force isn't just a puzzle for distant galaxies. It profoundly impacts our entire understanding of the cosmos, from its very beginning to its potential end. It's a connection to something much grander than we often imagine. Our expectation that our current understanding of the universe is complete enough to predict its long-term future is beautifully shattered. The counterintuitive truth is that dark matter isn't just a present mystery. It's a key player in the ultimate fate of the cosmos. Will the universe continue to expand forever, growing colder and emptier? Or will the gravitational pull of all this mysterious mass eventually cause it to slow down, stop, and perhaps even collapse back in on itself in a grand cosmic crunch? Dark matter holds the answer to this profound question. Imagine a cosmic time machine. Understanding dark matter allows us to not only rewind the universe to its very beginning, seeing how structures like galaxies first formed, but also to fast forward to its ultimate end. Its gravitational embrace shaped the cosmic web, the vast network of galaxies we see today. By studying dark matter, we unlock the deep connections between the unseen and the cosmic destiny, piecing together the universe's autobiography. Dark matter is truly the universe's hidden architect and perhaps its ultimate timekeeper. It quietly built the colossal structures we observe, and its silent, pervasive presence holds the key to the final chapter of our universe's story. It's a story we are still learning to read, a testament to the power of persistent curiosity curiosity. What wonders lie in those unread pages, waiting for us to turn them? We've journeyed together through the cosmic tapestry, haven't we? From the silent frustration of galaxies spinning too fast, to the profound realization that an invisible hand truly guides their elegant dance. We felt the quiet confusion that the term dark matter might bring, only to uncover its truly transparent, non-interacting nature. We witnessed a cosmic crash, the incredible bullet cluster that shattered our expectations and gave us tangible proof of this mysterious substance. And we explored the ingenious human spirit, building silent chambers deep underground, patiently listening for a whisper from the unseen. It's completely natural if some of these vast, abstract ideas felt overwhelming, or if you've ever felt a quiet frustration when a concept seemed too big to grasp. But remember, that very feeling of not knowing, that little tug of confusion, is not a barrier. It is the most beautiful spark of true discovery. It's the universe gently inviting your unique mind to lean in to explore its deepest secrets. The biggest mysteries of the universe are not reserved for a select few. They belong to anyone with a curious heart, anyone brave enough to ask why and how, even when the answers aren't immediately clear. Just as Neil deGrasse Tyson often reminds us, the cosmos does not owe us an explanation, but we owe it our persistent wonder and our relentless reason. Every question you ask, every time you pause to consider an unseen possibility, you are practicing the scientific method, becoming a cosmic detective in your own right. Think of Ibarra from Manual do Mundo, showing us how a simple experiment, perhaps with everyday objects, can reveal a complex truth about physics. The entire universe is like one giant, ongoing experiment, always unfolding, and your curiosity is the ultimate tool, sharper than any telescope, more sensitive than any detector. Start by looking at your own world differently. What invisible forces are at play in the everyday around you? The gentle pull of a magnet, the unseen currents of air, the hidden logic behind the smallest things. Don't let the unseen remain unquestioned. Let your mind wander to the edges of what is known, and even beyond. Keep that curiosity burning bright within you, like a distant star guiding us through the cosmic night. What other invisible truths are waiting for your curious heart to uncover? Not just in the vastness of space, but in the quiet, profound corners of your own world. Stay curious.